In this short training, I want to show you a simpler way to think about prospecting in the AI era. A lot of people are not struggling because they are lazy, they are struggling because the whole process feels too heavy. Too many tools, too much noise, too much guessing, and far too much pressure to always know exactly what to say. That is why I put together this package around the Easy AI prospecting system. Inside it, you've got the lead magnet, the mind map, the cheat sheet, and this video to help tie it all together. The real idea here is simple. AI should not replace you. It should support you. It should help you remove friction, organize your thoughts, clean up your wording, and make follow-up easier, while still allowing you to be yourself. Because the truth is, people do not connect with perfect scripts. They connect with real people, clear communication, and a simple next step. That is where a duplication-friendly system becomes really powerful. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can plug into something that helps you share, follow up, stay organized, and keep moving without all the usual overwhelm. That is exactly why MLM Lead Pro stands out. It gives you a cleaner, more practical way to prospect, share value, and build momentum. Especially if you want something that feels modern, simple, and easy to duplicate. So download the lead magnet, go through the mind map and cheat sheet, and then take the next step by getting plugged into MLM Lead Pro. Because when the system gets simpler, consistency gets easier, and that is when things really start to flow.